Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, Angelic Beats, the place for beauty and girl talk. This is my third video, y'all, my third video. Thank you for all the subscribers and all my likes on my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep them coming. I'm going to try and keep these videos coming. Definitely let me know what y'all would like to see me do. And yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So today I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I must say it's bomb. At first I was a little iffy about this palette, but definitely grew to love it. Definitely a must-have. Taking my favorite blending brush by Morphe, M411. It's a beast at blending. I'm going to dip it in the color Golden, and I'm going to place it in my crease, going back and forth like so. This is what you call a transition shade because nobody wants dark eyeshadow all the way up to their eyebrow. So taking that light golden color, I'm going to blend it all in my crease and a little bit above. Doing the same thing on the other eye. You want to build up the transition shade. Now taking my brush and dipping it in the color Raw Scene, I'm going to place that in my crease in back and forth motion. And here I'm just blending it, blending that color into my transition color. Just blend, blend, and blend some more. After blending that shadow to the gods and achieving the look that I want, yay, I'm going to dip my brush in the shade Cypress Umber. Taking that beautiful shade of brown, I'm going to place that color in my crease, going back and forth, building up the intensity for a bold cut crease. Everybody who knows me knows I love dramatic looks, so we're going for a bold cut crease here. Like I said before, eyeshadow in the beginning is not pretty, but you gotta trust that process, baby. So let's keep going. After a little more blending, I'm going to take my 282 eye fluff brush from Inspire, and I'm going to dip it in the shade Realgar. Taking that shade, I'm going to go over the brown shade to kind of give it an orangey brown effect, like so. Taking my Morphe E28, I am going to blend these two shades together, like so. And then I'm going to be dipping it in the shade Tempera, and I'm going to place it over both of those shades. You see how well that's blending? Like I said, trust the process, ladies. Trust the process. Now taking my brush, I'm going to dip it in some concealer. Really doesn't matter what type of concealer you use. Any concealer will work. It's time to cut that crease, queens. So you get your brush with your concealer and you start where you want your crease to start. So if you have hooded eyes, you would need to take your crease above your actual crease. Basically, a cut crease is meant to be seen when your eyes are open. A little trick of mine is while I'm doing my crease, I look at it to see if it's noticeable. Last thing you want is a cut crease that you can't see. Crease cutting can be very time consuming. It's very important to stay patient and to take your time. Nobody wants a sloppy cut crease. So here I am just perfecting my crease, bringing it out to the middle, and I am going to blend it a little bit. I don't want a full cut crease, I'm going for a half. So as you can see, I'm patting my concealer in to blend with my brown shadow. Now taking a little flat brush, I'm going to dip it in that brown shade again, and I'm going to build up my crease. Now, if y'all do cut creases and you decide, oh, well, it's not enough intensity, you can always take a flat brush like so, dip it in your color, and build up that crease. Once I achieve my desired look, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend that brown. You don't want your colors to show where they started or where they end. It's supposed to all blend together as one. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat fluffy brush, dipping it into the shade Tempera, and I'm going to place that over my concealer. You always want to set your concealer with powder. Concealer is sticky and it will crease up and make your eyeshadow look horrible. Now taking my NYX matte eyeliner, I am going to give myself a fierce dramatic wing. It's time for some dramatic lashes, baby, my favorite. So I use Duo Lash Glue and I place the glue onto the false lash. I let it get a little tacky and I try and place the false lash as close as possible to my natural lash line. So this is the look with lashes. False lashes make everything better. The only thing that's missing is some taking that black liner from Ulta. I'm just going back and forth on my waterline, trying to give it a little smoky effect. It also brings out your eyes. And that's the final look. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave me comments for future videos y'all'd like to see.